Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all feeling good and enjoying the summer months to the fullest. While editing my travel vlogs from Istanbul and Bodrum, I'm already packing my suitcase again for our next trip to Greece. We'll be heading to Mykonos for my birthday. I got some really nice summer pieces lately that I thought would be worth sharing with you, along with some well-proven long year summer favorites. So let's get right into it. First up, we have this beautiful Zimmermann midi dress here that I was already eyeing last year, and when I actually saw it going on sale this year, I knew it was time to finally get it. It's such a lightweight and flowy material. It's linen outside and cotton on the inside layer, really comfortable to wear and easy to style, just perfect for the summer. This dress is the perfect mix of romantic and modern, with lovely details such as the ties on the back, which makes it perfectly adjustable, or the cut-out details on the side, and the beige scalloped trims, which actually go perfectly together with my Hermès Oran Sandals in Beige Mastic, which are actually next on my summer favorites list. I have two pairs of Hermès Oran Sandals, one in black and one in this beautiful neutral tone here, which is called Beige Mastic. Probably I will take both of them with me to Mykonos. I'm just thinking if I should swap the black ones with my black Chypre sandals so that I have two different styles of slides, one a bit more elegant and one a little bit more casual chunky. When it comes to comfort, I have to say that the Orans are easier to break in. The Chypre gave my feet quite a hard time in the beginning, but once you break them in, they're comfortable too. They definitely give more support than the Orans, as they have one more strap here on top, which is adjustable, and they are more padded, which makes a big difference when you're walking around all day. Next up, we have my all-time favorite summer bag, which is my Chanel Mini Raffia Flab. If this doesn't speak summer to you, I don't know what is. I love the material and the combo of this natural tone with the black and white details and the champagne gold hardware. It's such a special little bag. I mean, it's obviously not a beach bag, but more for like exploring the old town or wearing it out for dinner, but I can't wait to wear this bag in Mykonos. What is still missing to complete the look is a good hat. I've been eyeing the Celine Straw Hat that I tried on in Bodrum. I really like the shape of it. It comes with a black and a beige ribbon. I actually like both of the options, but I think the beige one is already sold out online. I might have a look in Mykonos. Let's see if I will find it there. In the meantime, I found a more price-friendly alternative at COS. It's a complete different style, but I somehow liked this concept of a bucket hat as a straw version. Let me put it on for you. What do you think, guys? I think it looks really cute, and I actually expect this to be quite comfortable to wear, as your head will probably not heat up too much because of the holes that will let your scalp breathe. I think it's a really nice piece. And actually this is also very easy to pack because you can just fold it and nothing will happen, so definitely easier to pack than the Celine hat, which is like structured and you can't just squish together like this one. You can just make it really flat and nothing will happen. I'm planning to pair this hat with this white dress that I also got at COS. It comes in a beautiful A-line with a square neck. Not sure if that's how you actually call it. What I really like about this dress is that the straps are adjustable, as they come with those buttons here on the back, and you can change the length to whatever is suitable for your body. I think this dress looks very chic, maybe a little bit old money style, but yet very summery. I've got another very pretty dress to show you. It's this Ivory A-line plissé dress here from Abercrombie. Again, I'm loving the cutouts and the flowy line. It's a very chic dress and I think it's perfect for wearing out for dinner. The only thing that I'm a bit worried about is how the dress will look like when I unpack it. I hope that it won't crease too much, because I can imagine that ironing this plissé will probably be a nightmare. Another spring, summer, or actually all year round favorite is my Chanel pearl necklace that I think will perfectly complement all the white dresses that I will pack. If you would get only one designer necklace, I think I would go for this one. It's so versatile and so chic. Such a timeless piece that will probably never go out of style. For my birthday, I wanted to wear something a bit more fancy, and when I came across this dreamy pearl embellished set from H&M, it was love at first sight. This set gave me instant Chanel vibes with the little camellia-like pearl flower arrangements all over. I'm afraid that I might get a little hot in this two-piece as it's long sleeve, but I intend to wear it out for dinner only anyways, so I hope I will be fine. Usually I don't like such pencil-shaped skirts that much on my figure, but this one works out surprisingly well, I have to say. How do you like this set, guys? I would love to hear your opinion. Let me know in the comments. Next up, I have a new pair of MiuMiu sunglasses. I already wore them out in Bodrum. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on this video. It was such a nice trip. I absolutely love these sunnies as they look so modern to me. It's definitely not a typical frame that I would wear. I think they make every outfit look a little bit more futuristic and give it a little bit of a touch of coolness and some contemporary vibes. What do you think, guys? The shape makes it a very interesting, not so basic, I would say. Generally, I think MiuMiu has been putting out a lot of nice pieces lately. I've also been eyeing this basket bag, but I'm not sure if I should really get it because I would probably end up just wearing it during vacation, only for a couple of months in the summer, and then it would disappear in its dust bag for the rest of the year. Still thinking about it though. Let's continue with swimwear. I got these two pieces here at H&M. One is a bikini and one is a swimsuit, and obviously I couldn't decide, so I ended up getting both. But don't these give ultimate Chanel vibes once again? I've been searching for a black and white Chanel set for the longest time, but I could never find it in my size yet. So this one here is a perfect price-friendly alternative and I can't wait to wear it in Mykonos. And then I found another very affordable but on-trend bikini, which is this one here. And can you believe this one is from Amazon? This is the top in white with this little black 3D rose. And then we have a black pair of bottoms with a white camellia here. Again, this looks absolutely Chanel. I think I actually never shopped ready to wear at Amazon before, but when I was browsing for a bikini in this style with 3D flowers, I really was asking myself, why should I actually pay 200 euros or more for such a trend piece that will most likely go out of style very fast? I'm not even sure which designer came up with this first. I mean, Chanel is obviously known very well for the camellias, but also Magda Butrym is working with 3D flowers a lot for years. You find those type of bikini at literally hundreds of brands now. I've been looking at high-end options such as Magda Butrym, Araki or La Revèche, and I've also found some other more price-friendly brands such as Suera, which I've never heard before and I actually didn't end up trying out because I ordered this Amazon one here instead, but they also had some very nice bikini and swimsuit options with those 3D flowers applied. And talking quality, let's be honest, in swimwear I don't really think that there will be a huge difference of quality in high-priced and low-priced brands, as in the end it's always the same material. And if you're actually on a budget, investing into luxury swimwear is probably not the best idea, as the colors will fade anyways due to sun exposure and also due to the salt in the sea or all the chemicals that you find in the pool. Let's come from Chanel lookalikes to some real Chanel again. One piece that I will pack for sure is my Chanel short sleeve tee. Perfect time to wear this out now. I love the light knit material and that the CC logo is there, but it's very subtle as it's white on white and it's not too much in your face. Still need to think about which outfit I'm going to create with this one, but I think I will wear it with a pair of linen shorts and with my Chanel Raffia bag. You will for sure see in the Mykonos travel vlog how I will wear it. Another top that I got not too long ago is this Gucci short sleeve here that I'm wearing today. I love the vanilla shade and the subtle all over monogram. I'm planning to wear this with some white shorts and either with sandals or with sneakers. It will be a perfect look for exploring the old town, I guess. Or I could also wear this one open, like a jacket, over any basic top, which can become in handy too. Another shirt that I also recently got is this black and white striped one here from Ralph Lauren. I also thought that this one would be nice to just throw over anything like a bikini if I want to cover up a little bit. You find these shirts usually in blue and white, so I love to have found a black and white version which still is summery, but it's not giving you that typical marine style, if you get what I mean. I think this one will also look nice combined with beige. Another summer favorite is my Tatm Towel, but I'm not sure if I will actually pack this one because I think we will get towels anyways everywhere. At least at the hotel and also at the beach clubs. Only when we go to a public beach this one might become useful. I will make it dependent on the space that I will have left in my suitcase. I definitely need to keep some free space for any occasional birthday shopping. Then I will of course pack my Airpods Max. This is a non-negotiable travel essential if you ask me. The noise cancelling just works so well. Perfect for the plane or for anywhere where you would like to zoom out of your environment for a while. Regarding handbags, I'm still contemplating which bags I should take with me, but but the Chanel Raffia bag I will take for sure. As a beach bag, I'm considering to take my Loewe basket bag, but I'm not sure because it's quite bulky to pack. Maybe I should just take it as a travel bag already. I would actually prefer wearing my Chanel Deauville as a carry-on bag, as you can close it a little bit more on top and it's not that open like the basket, which can become a little bit annoying on a plane, I guess. And also the Chanel Deauville fits a little bit more than this one and comes with a longer strap. This one you can only carry like this in your hands or in the crook of your arm, which can become quite heavy. But I think we'll probably also take a small carry-on suitcase where I could just put this on top. Also thinking about packing my small white Chanel classic flap. I think this one would go very well with all of the outfits, but I think I will make this decision at the very end when I've laid out all the looks, and maybe it will turn out to be a completely different bag then, we will see. Regarding shoes, besides my Hermès sandals, I will also pack at least one pair of sneakers. I will probably go for this pair of white and cream Sambas here, as they're quite comfortable to wear, so I will probably be wearing them for traveling already because I can comfortably walk in them all day long. Of course, I will also pack some sunscreen, very important, especially for me with my light skin, to not burn on day one and then suffer for the rest of the trip. I love this Dior one, and this time I also got the After Sun, which I haven't tried out before, but I can report back then once we are in Mykonos. The facial sunscreen from this Dior line I actually don't like, as it's quite greasy, so I guess to try out a South Korean brand this year, which is called Beauty of Joseon. I'm not sure how to pronounce this correctly, but this is how it looks like. I've already done a patch test on my arms and it seems to work out fine. I think this is a chemical sunscreen and it has ultra high protection, SPF 50 and PA++++. I was googling it and it is a full broad spectrum sunscreen protecting you from UVA and UVB rays, so I'm very curious how this will feel like when I'll be wearing it all day, but it looks quite promising. And I've read quite some good reviews about it, so I will give it a try. What I can actually recommend from my experience is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen line. I used that for my face and for my body this year when we were in Athens and also when we were in Turkey, but also the years before, so this one is a safe choice. Beauty also has to do with beauty sleep, so I got myself a very cute sleep set, or pajama set actually, from H&M. It is made out of white cotton or linen. I actually need to check. It's actually 55% linen and 45% viscose, but it feels very nice, and these are the bottoms, so it's a matching set in white with a little black detail here. I think it looks super classy, and I can also imagine wearing this top maybe just separately with a pair of different pants. I don't think that it really looks that much like a pajama. Oh my god, but what annoys me so much are those little slings here. Who feels this? First thing I will do is cut those strings out. They're just so annoying. I don't know who really uses that. Do you? And last but not least, we of course need a good summer scent. I've been loving Byredo's Blanc for many years. It's such a nice, fresh and lightweight scent. Absolutely perfect for summer. Let me spray on a little bit. Ah, it's so good. I can't really describe it, but it's really fresh and lightweight. You just have to try it out. It's really good. I'm not sure though if I will actually take this one with me to Mykonos, as the bottle is quite big and heavy, so I might take my little Celine travel spray with me, but generally speaking, Blanc is one of my all-time favorite spring and summer scents, and you really need to try it out, trust me guys. And that's already it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little roundup of my personal summer favorites. I need to finish packing my suitcase now, and we will see each other soon in the next travel video. Thanks so much for watching guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing to my channel to not miss out on any upcoming ones. As said before, the Bodrum travel vlog will follow soon, and of course I will also take you with us to Mykonos, so lots of summer travel content coming up. Looking forward to see you soon back on my channel. Bye guys!